So over here, you can see that I got the baseline grid, I got regular grid, and I got guides right here as well. And if I were to go around over here, you can see that the snapping happens for the shape right here in all of the grid. So over here, you can see that the snapping happens in this grid, the snapping happens on the guide right here, the snapping happens on the other shape right here, just like this, the snapping happens right here on the baseline grid as well. If you want to go ahead and disable out the snapping for, let's say, for example, different purposes, or enable it for different purposes, you can go ahead and utilize something called the snapping manager. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the view and then go to snapping, and the snapping manager opens up. If I were to disable the snapping right here, then now the snapping altogether stops, as you can see right here. It does not snap into place. You can go ahead and then enable, and then what happens is that the snapping now takes place. You can also enable the screen tolerance. Let's say, for example, I can enable the tolerance till 20 pixel, and each 20 pixel, you can see that it goes ahead and snaps out right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead onto different presets like page layouts right here, and it snaps to certain things. So it does not snap to baseline grid or grid right now, but it snaps to guide right here, as you can see, and this is what you have. You can simply go ahead and choose different presets right here, just like this, and the snapping is enabled and disabled for different things. For example, for pixel work, it only takes the pixel as a reference, but for UI, you can see that it snaps onto the grid right here. But for the curve design, it does not snap to anything. If you were to go to object creation, it snaps to the object, as you can see right here. So I can enable snap to grid right here, and then it snaps onto the grid. As you can see, you can go ahead and snap to baseline grid so that it snaps to all the baseline grid that there is. And you can go ahead and snap to guides right here so that it snaps to guides and so forth. You can even snap to margin, as you can see right here. So it snaps onto the margin right here. So you can enable and disable different snapping option right here, just like this, and the snapping behavior will reflect out in objects accordingly in Affinity. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the snapping manager in Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.